Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now it's time for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, I saw fifth graders in their science class using Pear Deck to ensure they were able to answer questions related to their lesson. Nice job, fifth grade. Also, I saw fifth grade math scholars working in Miss Daniels' class on making sure they understood how to do fractions and what an improper and proper fraction are. Nice job. Make sure you look at those denominators when you're adding your fractions. Make sure they're the same, they're common before you add. Also, scholars, remember, every day counts, so attend school every day because we are giving another award away, another surprise for all those who attend school. We're going to put you in a drawing so that you can win a prize. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot.